Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, we're going home now. Today I finished already 2:31 when I signed out. It started at 6 o'clock. It was me, Rafael, and Lachlan. Rafael is still there because he's still preparing for tomorrow. I didn't able to help Rafael because I was busy in the a la carte. So many order. I'll be there. Call my name. I'll be there. Say all the sea. Hello, I would like to go around on me. Oh, still long time. I didn't do that pull up, chin up. Whenever I'm weary on the bed, that's when it's in my head. Oh, this morning my phone dropped down here. Yeah, it falls down there because I was running very fast and I hit something on the ground and it bumps a little bit. Yeah, I didn't notice that it falls down, but the music has stopped. So I said, why the music stop? And so I checked my phone. Yeah, and my phone is not in my pocket. So I go back and check, and I saw my phone is on the ground. And that's why it is broken now. Yeah, it was just broken last week, and now another sign of broken. This corner, if you can see this corner. Yeah. And it is now raining. Yeah. Oh, this cooked already. I'm going to eat all of it. So weird, but again it is sunny. Yeah, the rain just dropped by. You know, again it's sunny. But it is already 4 o'clock. And after 1 hour, again it's going to be sunset. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, we're going home now. Today I finished already 2:26 when I signed out. Yeah, I didn't wait for the 2:30 because it was really busy. Really busy. If you look at the sky on that side, yeah, it looks like it is not going to rain. But if you look at the back, yeah, the clouds is dark. In the forecast there is rain, but we never know. Oh, my car again is there. Good afternoon. Good.
You working hard?
Yeah. Yeah, there are many people there walking their dog, and this guy, he is walking his dog while on his bug. Oh, this during my break time, I was in the, yeah, I was outside. I was having my cup of coffee, and then there is one father and a kid. Yeah, the father speak to me, and yeah, he is also Filipino. I just learned, he told me, and his English is already so much of a Taglish, a mix. Yeah, Tagalog English mix. Maybe been here in Australia for a very long period of time. He tried to give me his Facebook, but yeah, there's no add button. And then he also tried to add me on Facebook, but my Facebook also doesn't have a add button. Good afternoon.
Hi.
And that guy live here in Nelson Bay, and his mom is actually used to work in my company, in my workplace before. And Inigo, he knows Inigo. Sometimes the snow comes down And we are home. Yeah, this sunglass is amazing. And it is now 3:15. And I'm going to try this one. A chipolata sausage. And I have rice here heating. And this is my lunch. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, we're going home now. Today I finished 2:35 already. Yeah, because it is very busy. Not too much guests, but yeah, preparation. Nice weather today. Look at that, it's blue sky with some clouds, and the temperature is just right. Today we did 139. Yeah, that is lower than the usual, which is at least 150. Not the ways I have stolen like that. Somehow it's enough. The night you came to me, some silly girls that set you free. It is still muddy in here. We are now here. This is how it is at the moment. Quiet this time. Here also there's no one swimming. Okay, we are going home now. We are going to walk first around the town center in the shops, and then we go home. Yeah, we're going inside the grocery. I don't know what I am going to buy, but yeah, something like a snacks. Yeah, I don't really know what I'm going to buy, but with roast pork. Oh, we're going to try this chicken pad thai, no? Next time. Oh, we're going to take one of this chicken. Yeah, I'm not really satisfied of the thing that I bought. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, it's already almost all good afternoon. Yeah, I was just on my computer, and now we are going out. Yeah, I was just on my computer. I am day off today. I am trying to catch up with the video, and as of this time I have just 1 week of being late. Yeah, because previously my video was almost a month late. Now we are catching up. Yeah, that is why this morning I didn't vlog. I was just on my computer editing the video. And this is how it is at the moment. Yeah, it is very windy this time. Yeah, going back to my apartment is against the wind. And you notice those small wavy in the water. Yeah, that's because of the strong wind. We are just out here because I want to see people. Also, I am going to eat, to have my lunch breakfast, brunch, and also I am going to the grocery to buy something. Oh, what's going on? Yeah, I don't know what's happening. They probably been disturbed, or we don't know. Yeah, okay, we go. First, we are going to that side. We check if there is a chance that we can have lunch. Oh, the restaurant that I am supposed to go to is actually closed. There's some kind of renovation. We are going to have a look in the people that are fishing in here. Yeah, that is how wavy it is. Oh, it looks clean this time. I mean, all those benches and table, they looks clean. Yeah, nice. There's no poo of the birds. Oh, I heard my sunglass is already running out of battery. Yeah, that's why I feel like going home now. Because if I keep on going and there's no music, not good for me. I don't really like. I always to be having a music always. Okay, before we go home, we're going first to eat in the Chinese restaurant. Oh, but I don't think I have cash. Let me check. Oh, nice. They clean it. There's no so much leaves. Yeah, no so much bush. Oh, I always forgot to take this out. Put it. And this is where we are going to sit. This time there are people on the side, big group. Oh, actually it is hot in there, so I sit here. This is what I am having: fried rice. This oh, too much chili and soy. Spring roll. Okay, now we are going to inside the grocery. We're going to take one of this laundry soap. Look at that. Regular price is 19.50. Now 50%. 2 liters. No, actually 1.8. Yeah, this 6 pieces and this just $10. Okay, we are home.